Chapter 25. Building a sales funnel that works. A sales funnel is simply the path you design for a potential customer to go from first hearing about you to becoming a paying customer, and ideally a repeat one. It's called a funnel because you start with a wide pool of people at the top, awareness, and guide them down through stages of interest, decision, and action. At each stage, some people drop off, and the ones who stay move closer to buying. The better your funnel, the more people you convert, and the more revenue you generate from the same amount of traffic. At the top of the funnel, TOFU, your goal is to attract attention and get people interested enough to stick around. This is where content, ads, social media, and SEO come into play. You're not trying to sell right away. You're giving value, solving small problems, or entertaining your audience so they become aware of you and what you stand for. For example, if you're a fitness coach, your top of funnel content might be YouTube videos on 5-minute morning workouts or Instagram posts with quick nutrition tips. In the middle of the funnel, MOFU, your goal is to build trust and show potential customers that your offer is the solution they need. This is where lead magnets, email sequences, case studies, and in-depth content comes in. You might send a free guide, run a webinar, or share success stories from past customers. Here, you're addressing doubts, answering questions, and nurturing the relationship. The more you can connect with your audience's specific pain points and desires, the more likely they are to keep moving down the funnel. At the bottom of the funnel, BOFU, your goal is to convert interest into action, usually a purchase. This is where you make your core offer and use techniques like urgency, scarcity, guarantees, and clear call to action to get people over the line. If you've done the earlier stages well, this part feels natural. Your customer already understands the value, trusts you, and is ready to buy. A strong funnel doesn't end at the sale. Once someone buys, you can have post-purchase stages that increase the lifetime value, LTV, of that customer. This could include upsells, offering an additional product right after purchase, cross-sells, recommending related products, or subscription offers. You can also create follow-up sequences to encourage repeat purchases or referrals. There are many types of funnels depending on your business model. For digital products, you might have a webinar funnel. Ads or content drive people to sign up for a free training. The training gives value and pitches your course, and the follow-up emails close the sale. For e-commerce, you might use a product launch funnel, teaser content, early bird offers, and limited time discounts to drive urgency. For services, you might use a lead generation funnel, free resources and case studies to build trust, followed by a call booking to close the deal. One common mistake is overcomplicating your funnel before you've tested it. You don't need dozens of pages and endless automation from the start. A simple funnel, like an ad to a lead magnet, followed by a short email sequence leading to an offer, can work extremely well. Once you see it converting, you can layer on more steps, retargeting ads, and advanced automation. Another mistake is not tracking your funnel metrics. You should know how many people enter at the top, how many people move to the next stage, and how many ultimately buy. This helps you identify where people are dropping off so you can fix those weak points. Sometimes a small tweak to your landing page or email sequence can dramatically improve results. A well-built sales funnel is like a machine. Once you've dialed it in, it can consistently turn strangers into customers day after day. It allows you to focus your marketing efforts, create a better customer experience, and grow your revenue in a predictable way. And when you combine it with strong traffic strategies, great offers, and ongoing optimization, your funnel can become the engine that drives your entire online business.